Hi everyone, welcome to all of you guys in my channel, The Mini Mathematician. This is our first lecture about the Microsoft Excel. So first of all, we open our Microsoft Excel. This is a window that we will see when we first time open this Excel sheet, and we have to select this blank worksheet. Okay, so this lecture will cover the all the components that's needed for the beginner. And first of all, we go to this file option. Here we can see that there are following options. The first one is the new. When if we want to open a new book or a new worksheet, then we will press this one, and again we will find the same window that we had in the beginning. So this is here we can find a new file, and the second option in this slide is the open. It means that if we want to open any file, so we can easily open in this list. Also, if we have saved this file to another panel or in the folder, we can just simply click this computer option, and we can just follow this track. Okay, so the second thing is, if we want to save our file, so we will simply select this option and we will save the file according to our requirements, where we want to save this file, either on the desktop, in the downloads option, or anywhere. So, and this save as option, so save as option will let us to save the file according to our choice. And if we want to save the file according to our choice, or if we want to give it name, so we will select the option save as. This is option if we open an other file, Microsoft file that is designed by another person, we can simply open that file and save its name according to our choice and according to our selected place. Print, this option will this option will help us to print the Excel sheet. So this is I think I will discuss about this thing later on, because it takes a little bit time. So these are the simple options that we will need in the beginning or before starting the Word Excel. And these are the on the top panel we find these 7 options. First of all, the home. In the home tab, if I want to, for example, if I write something like alpha, so if I want to change its writing style, so I will simply select over here, and if I want to change it to Times New Romans, so it will, and just write this one and enter, and select the enter key, so it has changed. So secondly, if I want to increase its size, so simply select this cell box, and here is a size option. So write is any number that either you want to increase its size or decrease. See, I want to increase its size, so I simply wrote the 13, so its size has increased. Third thing is that if I want to bold it, means that I want to write it in the bold style, so I will simply select this B option, it's for bold. Okay, so if I want to write it in italic style, so I simply select this I option, so it will automatically change this writing style into the italic style. So after that, if you want just underline this word, so simply select this U option, means underline, with the bottom bar, and it has underlined. So for example, if I write the another thing, alpha, beta, gamma, so we can see that these 3 words has separate over these 3 cells. No, they haven't separated over these 3 cells. Actually, these three words are written in this cell. If you want to make the change in these words, then we have to select this cell. But they have also spread over the other cells. But if you want to keep these words in the same cell, you just need to either select this portion and move this one like this. Now it has become, they have come in the same cell. Or if you don't want to do this thing and you want to keep the same size of the columns, then simply select this wrap text option, this one. So they have come in the same cell. But if you want to align this in the center, so simply select this portion, this option. So this is for the, if you want to write on the left side. If you want to write a center, then select this one. If you want to write on the right side, then select this option. But if usually in the Excel sheets we write in the center, so I simply select this option. But if for example I have only one word, this one and this one, and its size is same, so now I want to bring this word in the center of the cell. So how it will be possible? Either I have to press this one. No, it's not possible. So for this purpose I will simply select this option, these three lines. The purpose of three lines, that it will bring the word in the center. And if you want to write on the top side, then you have to select this side, these three lines. So I think these three things are clear to you. I will go back. If you want to go back, then simply select these arrows, these ones. So now I want to keep the size of these columns same, but these words should also be in the same size. So what I will do, that I will just simply select these two cells and select this option, merge, this option. Now that these two columns cells have been merged, but the other columns are of the same size. Okay. Another thing, if we see in this option, if you want to change the color of these words, then simply select this version. It has changed to the red color. So if you select this arrow, this one, you will have the many options for the colors. Use the one you want to change. But on the same side, I want to also fill this cell with the different color. So how I will do, I will just simply select this option, simply select any color. For example, I select this one, and it has filled these cells in with the yellow colors. Okay. So the other thing, if I want to make the table for this one, table, so how I will do, I will just simply select this option. If you want to for example, if you want to give the border to this cell, and simply select this option, this one. So use a thick border, or use the border with the thin lines, this one. Or if you want to give the border on the upper side, or whatever you want to do, you can easily do with this option. Okay. But if you have a lot of the cells like this one, so you want to make the table for these all, you just simply select these cells and select this option and select the all borders, and it has to make this table. So this table will be used for writing the anything according to your desire. Okay. So if we move further, insert option will provide after different information about the things. That, for example, if I want to insert a different symbols or word, or like for example arrow, then I will simply select this one. This arrow has been selected. Okay. So these are options. If I want to use a different graphics. For example, this is graphics, so I will simply select any other any option like this one. Okay, and graphic has been inserted, so simply change this one. But these are things that are not, I think, worthy to discuss now. We later on we will discuss about these things. So in the beginning you just need to understand about all these options related in the home tab. In the home tab, for example, actually while working on the Excel, you just need to understand this portion of this home tab. Other portions are not worthy for this time, but this portion is the most important if you want to work about the in order to do some calculations or things related to this one. So this is the end of our lecture now.